Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 181. Today we're going to look at the difference between few and little. So when to use few and little. Okay, very simple. Let's look at the note here. Use few with countable nouns. Use little with uncountable nouns. All right, sounds simple enough. Of course, here with the X, this would be wrong if a student said, let me give you few advice. Of course, that's not right. With the check, this is correct. You should say, let me give you a little advice, okay? Because, of course, advice is an uncountable noun. So you use little with that. Now, of course, here, if you use the word piece, like one way to make advice countable is we often say a piece of advice. So if you use that, you could say, let me give you a few pieces of advice. You could use few here, because it's going with the noun piece, a piece of advice. Pieces are countable, so you can use few with it. Good. All right, let's look at the next example. Put few water in the glass. Of course, that's wrong, with the X. Water is an uncountable noun, so it must take little. Put a little water in the glass. Clear. The second one here, put a few ounces of water in the glass. So the same thing. If you use few with ounces, remember ounces are countable. So few can go with ounces. Put a few ounces of water in the glass, that would be fine. And of course, the last one that's correct here, it's just regular uncountable. Now, put some water in the glass. Of course, it's just another way to say it. So again, just remember, use few with countable nouns, use little with uncountable nouns. Okay, I hope it's clear. Hope you got it. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.